Welcome back, Four-Leaf viewers. Before we start this video, I would just like to mention our proud sponsor from this video. This is the first time I'm sponsored, guys. Our proud sponsor of this video, it's PDSB Confess. PDSB Confess is a really cool website where people from PDSB and even people out of PDSB can come and confess things and ask questions if what they want. Let me just show you guys to the website. This is the website name. It's right over here. Barira Shazad KCIE.wixsite.com/mysite. Once you go here, guys, you're going to be brought to this place. Right over here, you are going to make an account. And then you can press fill today. Or you can go to forum, which will show you all of this. My first post over here. And here are my sister's posts. As you can see, it's an epic site. Let me just make a new site real quick. Let's give it a name. Hi fans. Let's name it that. And right over here, guys, you can write your own post. You can add photos, videos, and more to get your message across. And there's GIFs and emojis. So let me write something real quick. Hello, all my fans who have came to this website and confessed anything you have been holding back. Then, of course, you can add GIFs. So, for example, first I'm gonna add an emoji because there's tons of them, and we've got right over here this emoji, and then we could add a GIF. For example, how about we add a GIF for thank you? Because, guys, this is a really proud sponsor, guys. I'm so happy for them sponsoring me for this video. Now you can add that right there, and now you can publish. So I am going to publish this bad boy right now. And as you can see, it's publishing, and here it is. Hi fans. Hello all my fans. And this, of course, is the Peel District School Board, also known as PDSB Confess. That's an epic. I'm going to be making my own website, so go check that out. My account here is Clover YT. My brother will make an account soon.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So do
But
you
guys,
know what this video is sponsored by?
But
once again, this video is sponsored by
PDSB Confess. Go check it out right now.
And you need to search
Barira Shazad QAISE.wixsite.com/mysite to get to this website. But now let's play some Roblox.
And guys, I'm gonna be releasing some new merch.
Yeah, don't show them though.
So I'm doing the design, and I'm
guys,
gonna show Shiloh right now, and I'm gonna see what he thinks.
It's pretty good. Now get that out of my face. Guys, today we're going to be playing some mega fun obby. Because, as you guys know, PDSB Confess is mega fun. So we're going to have mega fun playing the mega fun obby. Once again, thank you for PDSB Confess for sponsoring this video. Now I have to upgrade this flippin' Robux. in the game. Of course, we have to be. I'm gonna run shift lock because I think shift lock is ideal. And we've got to shoot. We've got to dodge these things. Wow, this is so hard. Oh my gosh. Just kidding. Of course, we're gonna make it through here. Nope. Oh, the pink is lava. Doesn't bother me at all. Oh, come on, bro. Could have at least not been pink over there. Guys, we made it. We've got green. Blue. By the way, blue is the color of PDSB Confess. And we're just gonna jump over here. Also, guys, Niall's sponsored by PDS Confess too. We just gotta make a video. By the way, I have a skip. As you can see, you can earn skips. There's codes for skips too in the skip. And basically, if you're a sucker and you suck at the game, you can use a skip to save your whole entire life. What? Wait, what? Why did it just say? I wonder. Oh no! But guys, if you climb it, doesn't it say, I wonder what's gonna happen for the next stage? Oh, I know what's gonna happen for the next stage. We're jumping. No! I keep falling.
This video's sponsored by
Okay, be quiet. But guys, still, it is. PDSB Confess is probably one of the best websites.
So people that go to like the PDSB school, you just like just say your day. How was it? What?
Yeah, but even out of PDSB, you can still use this website.
Even if you're
Stop. And now we've reached it to the orange caterpillar. We are going to jump over the orange caterpillar. We've got blue, which is iconic for PDSB.
So guys, my merch store might sponsor Child. Wait for that. I think it might happen.
There. Now we're gonna jump onto the purple. Of course, we're gonna have to, because the green is deadly. We are just gonna go patiently. Just like how you upload patiently on PDSB Confess. And guys, my brother still hasn't made an account on this website.
I'm working on my merch.
I know. This is so hard.
Do you think my merch is gonna be good?
Yeah.
Can you come to check my merch out on it?
No, unless you sponsor me and give me like $10. Then you're gonna have to give me like 5 or 10.
What about 20?
Yeah, I'll take that.
No, I'm not.
Okay. No, 10. I was like, that's not even.
Somebody sponsored you this video for 5.
I don't care.
Because they know you like it. That's why.
Okay, guys, we've got these green and come on! Green and yellow things of doom. I'm literally not even touching the yellow. Okay, we're fine. Why do I keep dying there? That is impossible. Oh, guys, comment down below. Should I use my skip on the stage? I don't feel like I should, because I feel like I can just pass it easily if I like sort of wait and jump for the last one. Yeah, like that. See, I didn't need it there. I was just being too cranky. Ooh, shoot.
I don't know how you touch the green.
I do. I need to start jumping farther. Jumping farther in obbies is my worst enemy. Let me get the checkpoint. Guys, if I can't get the checkpoint. No! Did I even get the checkpoint?
And that might be copyright.
Hold up, we're just gonna have to climb up all the way up here, up here, up here,
So my merch.
up here, up here. Ah, shoot. Up here, up here, up here, up here, up here. Ugh. By the way, it's blue, guys.
I hope my merch does good. Does good.
And purple. Blue and purple.
Blue like.
PDSB confess. Okay, guys, now we are going to climb up this tower, which will lead us to, well, somewhere. I don't know where it leads us to, but it'll lead us somewhere. Now, you can confess how angry and how much rage quitting you do on Roblox on PDSB confess. That's literally what it's made for, confessing stuff.
PDSB confess. PDSB confess.
There are sponsorship, of course we have to say it.
And another honest opinion. This is our honest opinion.
We love it.
I never tried it, so I don't know.
I like it. It's honestly amazing.
Monsters right now working on.
Honestly, it might be better than Twitter. Just saying. Honestly, if I'm telling the truth, PDS confess is probably better than Twitter. If I'm telling the truth here. Guys, we've got the deadly drips of doom.
I'm working on my merch.
Do. Hello, lady.
So this, once again, this video
We're
is
just-
sponsored by me.
We're just gonna be jumping over here. We've got
So
some blue lasers of doom.
Today, PSB just got there and they sponsored us. Plus, it's quite, it's a kid's website, but you could use it if you're an adult too.
Yeah, and guys, I mean, also, guys, please go support PDSB. It just came out today, and I'll be getting cooler updates and stuff like. It'll be getting updates.
And the person that made it is at our house right now for this meet and greet. Right?
Yeah, like a meet and greet sort of thing.
They don't want to show their face.
Yeah, they don't really like going on YouTube really, so yeah. Now this just looks like a bunch of Colgate toothpaste. Candy canes. I love some myself.
I'm just so proud of my merch coming up. So I'm just gonna tell you what these three designs are right
No.
now.
Oh, by the way, guys, look out for my merch too, because that will be coming soon. I'm gonna
But guys,
have
look,
epic
I'm making a
designs.
shirt, headband, and pants. And the shirt is limited edition, so you need to cop that. This shirt, it's limited edition. Sean, do you think this should be worth a limited edition?
Just please be quiet. You're distracting me. It's my own video. Guys, I'm climbing on top of Santa Claus right now. I'm jumping. I just skipped that whole thing.
Why would this skip?
And here, and here, and here, and here. I feel like on this obstacle course, I'm jumping way too far. Yep, like I said. Why do I feel like these black parts make you jump way farther? I can just literally skip the whole thing. Like, shouldn't have made your jump that far. Shoot. Did I just stand on the fire? Okay. I'm okay with that. I'm actually happy with that. Yeah, but then I died the next fire I touched. We've got this. Then again, I survived that fire over there. Now I'm guessing we have to. Oh. Come on! It would have been funner if we could only walk on the green part. We got this red thing of doom. You know what? Guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys had a fun time watching. Don't forget to go to PDSB Confess, and I'll see you guys next time.